Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a rolling film transition effects in CapCut PC. So first you can just add two clips like this into CapCut PC, and after that you can click on the first clip here and add the fade out animations on the first clip. So add fade out. And for the second clip, add the fade in. So under the in, add fade in like this. So there are two animations at the end of the first clip and the start of the second clip. So at the start of the animations of the first clip, you can go to effects and find the rolling film effect. Click on enter. Now add this into the clip. So download it first and click on the plus icon to add it. Okay, let's wait until it's fully downloaded and add it to the clip. Click on the plus icon, adjust the duration so that it ends at the ends of the animations like this. And on the effects, you can adjust the filter to how you like it. I'm going to go with 45 for the filters. And the speed, I'm going to go with 65. So let's see the result first. And that's it. So this is the rolling film transitions on your clips. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.